Hey guys, in this video, I'll share with you a month 8 update of investing $1,000 each month into dividend stocks. As you can see on my screen, after 8 months, I ended up moving a total of $8,000 into my dividend investing account. The table below contains 20 dividend stocks that I ended up purchasing over the past 8 months, including the stock names, the average cost for each stock, the number of shares that I purchased, and the total investment, which is just average cost multiplied by number of shares. And as you can see, I invested a total of $8,054.94, which is more than $8,000 just because I reinvest my dividends. The next two columns in orange and red colors show the current stock price of each company as of today and how much lifetime dividends each company paid me. And finally, the last two columns show how much profit or loss I'm making on each of my stocks, first in dollar values and then in percentages. Green colors are unrealized profits and red colors are unrealized losses. So overall, out of 20 of my dividend stock investments, 13 of them are profitable so far, which are all in green colors, and 7 of them are unprofitable, which are in red colors. In terms of the dollar profits, the 3 best performing companies as of now are Stanley Black & Decker, which is up by $113, followed by Clorox, which is up by $109, and in third place, we have ADP, which is up by $100. And in terms of the percentage profits, the 3 best performing companies as of now are 3M Corporation, which is up by 37%, followed by Avalon Bay, which is up by 26%, and then ADP again with 21% profit. And in terms of the stocks that are losing me money, the worst performing company as of now is BP, which is down by $96 or negative 14% loss. All other stocks with unrealized losses are down by less than $50, which is quite okay. So overall, the value of my $8,000 investment as of today is $8,356.74. This means that I'm up by $356.74 or 4.5% return on my investment. Make sure to stay tuned for my video next week where I'll share with you my stock picks for November, where I'm investing another $1,000 into dividend stocks. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.